Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook For You presents Fajita Chicken Sandwich. Step 1: Marination. Take 300 grams boneless chicken, cut into strips. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Half teaspoon vinegar. 1 teaspoon Szechuan chutney. Salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon paprika powder. 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes optional. Add some olive oil. Combine well. Let the chicken marinate for 1 hour. Marinade chicken is ready to cook. Step 2: Making stuffing. Add some oil in a wok. Add 1 tablespoon chopped ginger garlic, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 to 4 mixed chilies. You can adjust the chili amount as per taste. Let them sizzle for 1 to 2 minutes. Fry until ginger garlic rawness goes away. Once it turns aromatic, add marinated chicken. Shallow fry 3 to 4 minutes. Cover and cook 6 to 7 minutes. Dries out the water completely. Add some chopped cilantro. Add mixed bell peppers. 1 sliced onion. Shallow fry 2 minutes. Add salt to taste. Cook cheese slices on top. Add grated mozzarella cheese too. Sprinkle some chili flakes. Sprinkle coriander leaves. Cover and cook 2 minutes or until cheese melts. Stuffing is ready. Take sub-roll buns. I'm using pre-cut buns. Spread butter generously. Let it toast on hot pan for 1 to 2 minutes. Toast until crisp and marks appear. Fry another one. Step 3: Assembling. Take toasted bun. Spread mayonnaise on both sides. Spread tomato ketchup. Cook chicken filling. Repeat same procedure for another one. Fajitas chicken sandwich is ready to serve. Enjoy the meal. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.